Hey, welcome back all you DIYers. Today, we got a 2011 Ford Escape and an engine light on, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get the code on the little reader and see if we can get something fixed today. So let's get started. All right, today I got my little code reader here, the ZR13. I got it from Harbor Freight. Works pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and get it plugged in here. Our 2011 Ford Escape has, I think, 104,000 miles on it. We're going to plug this in where you can get it to scan. See what it comes up with. I don't know if you guys will be able to read that. There you go. The P144A is the code that it's reading on there. So we're going to probably start out with the easiest one to do, which is the purge valve that's right there on the front of the engine. We're going to go ahead and get that switched out of here. We'll reset this thing, and then we'll kind of send them down the road and make sure everything works again, and see how that works. All right, so like I said, the purge valve is located right here in the front. This hose right here on the front goes down to that purge valve. It's as easy as hitting this. Let's see, I might make sure I hit it the right way. Get my Wreck-It Ralph hands in here. There we go. Push both sides. Both sides have these little white clips on there. If you press them both, it'll release that, and you can pull that out. The next thing will be trying to get this wire off of here. If I can figure out where the release is at. The release is right here on the top. So in case you're looking for it, it's that piece right there. It's that little push button right there. Pull that out of there, and I believe there's two 8mm bolts that are right here on the front. So loosen them both first. One. There's the other one. So we'll try and pull this hose back so it's not in the way. And then hopefully we should be able to, yep, just turn it a little bit, wiggle it back and forth, and there we go. Take out the old one. Let me go over and grab the new one. Alright, so here's the new one right here. It is a CP597 is the part number we're putting back in here. Don't need that. And probably best to leave the bolts over here so I don't drop them as I'm trying to put this back in. And if you just slightly turn it back and forth a little bit to put it back in there. And there we go. It goes right back into place. And your bolts go right back where they were. Alright, so we got the the new solenoid put back in. Everything's hooked back up, just like we took it apart, put it back in. We're gonna go ahead, and of course, we'll still get probably a engine code on here, still saying the same thing because I didn't clear it. That is the one nice thing about this tool, is I am able to clear it. So it's going through scan again, and yeah, it says that it's still stored in here. I'm going to erase it. And now it is erased, engine light is off. Hopefully now we shouldn't have that issue. And usually what happened was when you gave it a lot of gas, it would cough and sputter, not really wanting to respond right away. So hopefully that'll help you out, guys. Alright, so that's going to do it for us. A P144A on this 2011 Ford Escape. Did change out that purge valve. We're going to send it down the road, and hopefully that'll help that out. So that'll give you a good idea on how to fix this yourself and change that purge valve out. So maybe save you a few bucks. So hope this helps you out. Like, share, and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you next time. Later.